Graduate Management Admission Council has released the NMAT application form. The registration window is available until October 10, whereas the candidates can schedule the exam until October 13. Here we bring to you step-wise procedure to complete the NMAT registration. Firstly, you need to visit the official website of NMAT registration, that is register.nmat.org. You will find two different tabs, one for registration and other for login. First time visitors need to register by entering some basic details. After submitting these details, you can log in to fill the form. Personal information to be filled in the form requires name, nationality, category, age, parents' details, etc. After filling these personal details, click on the next button to fill the contact information. Now you can fill the academic and work experience related details. Education details will include the name of the institute you last attended along with the percentage at the bachelor's level course. Click on the next button and enter the college preferences. You can choose up to 5 college preferences, post which an additional fee of Rs 354 is applicable for each school. Now you need to provide some additional information about other MBA entrance exams and some basic background details. After filling these details, click on the next button followed by clicking the I agree checkbox to accept all the terms and conditions. The last step is the fee payment. Candidates can pay the NMAT registration fee using debit card, credit card, or internet banking modes. After payment, you can proceed to schedule the exam. You can choose any date between October 10 to December 19. In case you have any other queries related to the exam, please feel free to drop your query in the comment box below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Shiksha's YouTube channel.